Hello, this is Jeff with Truck and Trailer, your capital for commercial vehicle sales, service, and secure truck parking. Today we're looking at a 2019 Chevrolet 3500 delivery truck. Under the hood it has this 6.0 liter V8 Vortec gas engine with only 112,000 miles. And back here in the business section is a 15-foot Supreme cargo box, and it is equipped with a Tommygate brand rail liftgate that has a 1,600-pound capacity. You'll lift anything you want all day long. This truck will take care of you nicely. And keep in mind, we have competitive financing, nationwide optional warranty, and delivery coast to coast. So if we can help you with your next box truck, give us a call here at Truck and Trailer, 405-912-5800.